Are you having trouble with missing contact posters after the iOS 18 update on your iPhone? It can be frustrating, but don't worry. I'm here to show you how to fix this quickly and easily. Let's get started. Solution 1. Enable name and photo sharing. First, open the Contacts app. Then tap on My Card. Next, tap on Contact Photo Poster. Then just toggle on the name and photo sharing. After toggling on this name and photo sharing, make sure to set Share Automatically as set to Contacts Only. Solution 2. Turn on Show My Caller ID. Open up the settings. After that, scroll down a bit. After that, tap on Apps. Now scroll down again. Next, tap on the phone. Then again, scroll down. Now tap on Show My Caller ID. From here, simply toggle it on. Now go ahead and check the issue whether it is solved or not. If not, Solution 3. Reset all settings. Open up the settings again. Tap General. Now scroll down again. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Then tap Reset all settings again. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Got any questions? Leave a comment and I'll help you out. See you next time.